My name is Amanda Paul, and this summer I've been working with Dr. Hong Lee in the Envision Program at the University of Delaware. This is the group of students in his lab, and we each have our own project. To explain mine to you, let me start with a little background. In the United States, most commercial broiler chicken houses look something like this. Since there aren't any windows, this is what the inside looks like. When chickens are growing inside, the lights are typically kept dim a majority of the time. As with any other animal industry, a primary concern for all involved is the health of the animals. A common concern for the broiler industry is that the chickens are becoming more and more inactive, and this inactivity may be leading to increased health issues. There's a large push for a solution to this problem, and that is where my research project comes in. My hypothesis is if we put windows in the commercial broiler houses to allow increased natural light inside, then the activity levels of the chickens will increase. In order to find the answer, we used 3 different farms. Here I'll show them as A, B, and C. At each farm, we used 2 houses, in which all variables were identical, except for one house had windows and one house did not. Then we installed motion sensors that looked like this in all 6 of the houses. These motion sensors collected constant data for us to analyze. In order to double-check our data, in both houses at Farm A, we installed cameras next to each motion sensor. In theory, the activity level determined from the motion sensors and the videos should be the same. This step was done just to ensure that the data we collected was accurate. If our hypothesis is correct, then the motion data will show that the chickens are more active in the houses that have windows. That is, the chickens in these houses would be more active than the chickens in these houses. One impactful experience I gained because of the Envision program was having the opportunity to attend the Purdue Commitments to Animal Care Summit in July 2018. Here, I was able to take a tour of their farm and see the research they are conducting. One thing they were looking into was the use of enrichments, which are basically toys for the chickens that aim to solve the same problem of inactivity that I'm trying to solve. Here, you can see an example of a hay bale being used by the chickens. This opportunity allowed me to network and learn a great deal from the entire staff of Purdue, the farmers, other students from all over the country, researchers from various backgrounds, and many animal activist groups. During the conference, Dr. Bruce Stewart Brown from Purdue Foods presented data from the research I have been conducting this summer. Although it is too soon to tell what the official results are, myself and everyone at the summit was hopeful that this research from a blue hen could help improve the lives of chickens all over the world.